What's going on, you fantastic people? Welcome to Apps That Rule. Fantastic Joe here with you. I wanted to just talk about a feature that's been in Instagram for quite some time now. I believe it was back in October-ish time frame of 2019. It's the create mode on Instagram stories, where you can go in and it's templates and makes things a little easier to spice up your stories a little bit for all your Instagram friends and fans and whatever you're on Instagram for. I thought it was really cool. It'd be fun to go and do a walkthrough together. So let's get at it. All right, so jumping in, what we're gonna do is click on the top left corner of the camera, and it's gonna bring us into our stories. We're gonna slide over to create mode, and obviously the first thing you see, it says tap to type, and you can change the size of the font and everything. Basically just put in here whatever you want to put text-wise. It's gonna flip through and tell you or show you the different types of fonts that you can use. It's pretty cool. Once you can also change the font color if you want. At the top here, you can add little different effects or whatever where it highlights it and everything like that. And then you can also move it to the left or right margins or just center it. And then once you click off of it, you can actually go in the bottom right-hand corner here and click through the different colors that you want to use if you want to change those colors. And you can also add stickers and things like that, as you can see on the top middle part of the screen. Next, moving on, here's the cool one. This is Shoutouts. So it gives you templates of shoutouts. So this one would be happy birthday, and we'll just go with my buddy Jay Littman here, for example. We'll start typing him in. Bam, there's Jay Littman. We can click on his name. It's gonna add some stuff. It's really cool. It actually adds different stories, old stories that him and I were in that I didn't even realize were still on here and everything. I think it's kind of cool, actually, to be honest. So you could do that. For example, that's happy birthday, but we don't have to use the happy birthday. We can go in and you can click the dice at the top of the screen and it'll go through and be like, thanks, happy anniversary, blank, etc. So that's pretty much the only ones it gives you. But I think it's kind of cool. It's a cool feature that brings up the old stories if you have those with each other. Next, moving on, we'll go into GIFS, and you can search Giphy, and we'll search for skeletons just because I guess that's on my mind for some reason. I spelled it wrong, but thanks for the text prediction stuff here. So we picked skeletons here. Pretty cool. You can add text to the skeletons, and I don't know what, scary, something like that. We'll click off. Obviously that doesn't blend in well or whatever, but as you can see, basically you go in and search GIFs. It's all baked in, and you can have different GIFs to add to your story. Next thing we're gonna do is we're gonna move on, and you can see quick draw challenge. I haven't really messed with this too much, but screenshot and draw a. So basically, you could do different things. Here we go, pizza toppings, ranked. What are your favorite pizza toppings? What I'm watching right now, show. We could go in here and we could put quote of the day. We could do list this week's top 5 picks of what I am listening to. Kind of fills your friends or your fans in with different things about you. It's what it's all about, that connection on Instagram with each other. Next thing we're gonna go in is, this would be like ask a question. You could go in here and type whatever you want your question to be that you will send out, and people will answer yes or no. You can also, we'll discard that. We'll go back in and hit the dice again. It'll be like ability to speak to every human or every animal. What would you choose? I would probably choose animal. That'd be kind of cool, right? Click the dice here. Would you rather be turned into a werewolf or a vampire? Of course I'd hit vampire, but it gives you basically the idea of what fun stuff you can put on your stories. It does it all for you. It's templates. You kind of don't need to be creative in this, which is simple if you're just trying to come up with something to throw a story out there. And these seem kind of fun. It's interesting to know what other people will think. Moving on to the next thing here, you can basically have your followers ask you a question, where they can type something in there and ask you a question. We all know that. You can click on the dice. What song should I listen to? Maybe people could go in there and send you some songs, some artists that you've never heard of. It's a good way. It's fun. You get to know your followers a little more as well. Here's another one. The nicest thing anyone has done for you. Type something in there. So that's a question you're asking your followers. Something the nicest thing someone's done for them. So it's a good way to get to learn about your followers. It's all about that connection again. Next thing you could go is you could tap to select a nonprofit, and you could share that on your stories. I have not done that, but obviously if you tap and select it, you could search for different charities, nonprofit organizations that you could select on there. You can add it on your stories and people can go in and they could donate money towards that charity or that nonprofit. Next thing you could do is you could do a timer. I kind of like this one, like school's out or whatever, the end of the school year, or we got certain amount of days and hours till the weekend starts, and it's kind of fun. You can actually add it, and people will be able to turn on reminders and share this countdown to their story, so they'll be able to share their countdown. You can interact with each other and share that with each other. That's kind of fun, especially something you're looking forward to, or maybe a new video or something's coming out and you can put a countdown on there. And then next, you could go in and you can put different options for people to choose. So you ask them a question like, what makes me happiest? And you can put a couple different options. You click here, what's my favorite show? What would I name a pet turtle? And what's my biggest fear? So these are kind of like goofy questions you can ask your followers and they can put in there. You could put those different options and then they can choose those options according to how they feel. It's something fun. Like I said, it's a game, getting together with your followers and kind of getting to know each other and things like that. All right, so that in a nutshell, like I said, Create Mode's been out for a while, around October of 2019 or so, but I figured it was fun to go through it together, do a walkthrough together with it, show you guys just in case you haven't messed with it. Speaking of which, let me know if you have used the Create Mode in there, and if you do decide to use it, look me up on Instagram. It's the Fantastic Joe on Instagram. Tag me in there somehow saying you used it, you saw my video, and we can interact with each other on there. By the way, check out some more videos in this playlist I'm dropping right here. It's all about Instagram, different things you could do, like adding longer music to your stories and such things like that. And if you haven't done so yet, make sure you hit that subscribe button. It helps me out. Y'all stay healthy. Thanks for watching. Stay safe, and I'll see you next time.